How to make money with Bitcoin in 2022. Over the last few years, Bitcoin BTC has gained popularity as the number one form of decentralized currency. Its creator might remain a mystery to this day, but one thing for sure, there are lots of opportunity for you to make money with Bitcoin today. There are many options to source from and deciding the best route. It isn't very easy to make things a bit simple for you. We have complete a list of ways how to make money with Bitcoin. Buy and hold Bitcoin. If you wondering how to make money with Bitcoin without putting in too much of effort, the buy and hold strategy is among your best option. Buying and holding BTC is one of the most straightforward and beginner friendly way to earn money with crypto. Here's how it works. Create a flexible account. You will receive a free Bitcoin will often signify by Bitcoin and bank transfer or source from layer 400 payment option. Hold onto your BTC and wait for speak in print no matter how long that may take. You could wait week, month or even years before you decide to sell. That's the beauty the buying and holding. This technique has become so popular there even internet name for hold. It started as a tribe on a forum and become and hold on for their life. So if you decide to buy and hold, remember to hold on to the BTC for their life. If you want systemized approach to hold, why not dollar cost averaging, also known as constant dollar plan. DCA is an approach where you invest the total sum of your money in small investment threshold and specific particular long and internet on your crypto. If you are looking to your Bitcoin to purchase sweet and simple hold for the curtain private out new helpful tool might be your best bet. Flexible and allow you to earn even more money by gaining interest on your crypto weekly. Every trusted to be exist it work like a saving account where you keep your money but write more opportunity to make extra cash. The product is already available in the nearest region and sold in different of the world. Earned Bitcoin cashback or credit card purchase. Money payment and worldwide have also started to dip their toes into the crypto without interest. This paved the way for many crypto users to unlock and enjoy new financial opportunity with their Bitcoin while using their credit card. The broke free reward Visa signature credit card. Join affiliate marketing program. Another easy way to make money with Bitcoin through affiliate marketing. Many companies use this type of marketing to bring in new customers. It works by incentive excites user to bring their friend and family to the business. You will accept Bitcoin payment for your product and service. Take average Bitcoin factors. Look for Microsoft and pay-to-click website. Get tips in BTC. Monetize your website. Land finance Bitcoin. Trade Bitcoin and play crypto and block. Take the BTC and